So let me first compliment and congratulate you all for a phenomenal performance during the entire year.
There are so many talented people in this room today, and I hope you are all very proud of the mark you are making on our industry.
Life is a popularity game where people buy people first. The more interactions you create with a person, the higher the chance the person will trust you and want to help you and want to recommend you. And in order to ensure you keep the interactions going, you need to be a person of value.
There's only one product in the world that protects income, and that is life insurance. Life insurance is the only product in the world that protects and guarantees future income. Money that you haven't even earned yet gets protected with life insurance. Money that you are going to earn gets protected with life insurance. And my favorite product is the income protection product. When you fall sick, you want to make sure your income is protected.
What is the best plan to sell right now?
Every single family that I'm sitting with right now, I'm telling them, listen, this pandemic has put us in a very interesting position. We have been forced to retire, and this is the best time to restructure all your investments and focus more towards getting more and more income rather than being worried about asset growth.
He wants to know, can a customer trust me without actually liking me? Is that possible?
If they don't like you and they don't trust you, forget it. They'll ignore you. Okay? Now, but if they like you, but they don't trust you, they'll just be your friend. But if they don't like you, but they trust you, they will do business with you. But they will take a very long time to decide if they want to do business with you. But the danger is this. The minute they meet someone that they like and trust, they will bring the business to them. In other words, you may get their sale, but you don't get their loyalty.